Acorns Robo Advisor, honest review, watch before using. If you're considering using Acorns to automate your investments, keep watching for this no-nonsense breakdown. Quick note, links to the platform are available in the description if you want to explore it further. Acorns is designed as a beginner-friendly investing app tailored for those who want to invest without the hassle of stock picking or complex strategies. Its standout feature is the Roundups tool, which invests your spare change by rounding up purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically transferring that small difference to your investment account. Acorns also offers personalized portfolios built on diversified ETFs managed by experts, giving users access to a professional investment strategy with no prior knowledge required. The platform comes with 3 main subscription tiers: personal, family, and premium. Each plan offers varying levels of service, with the higher tiers including features like retirement accounts, custodial accounts for kids, and even banking services. Acorns is perfect for new investors, young professionals, and anyone struggling to save consistently. It's also great for those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing. However, Acorns isn't without its drawbacks. For small account balances, the flat monthly fees starting at $3 can eat into your returns. Additionally, advanced investors might find its lack of control over individual investments limiting. But if you're more focused on starting a disciplined investment habit, this platform is a solid choice. In short, Acorns makes investing simple, accessible, and stress-free, especially for beginners or busy individuals. If that sounds like what you're looking for, it's worth a try. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe and like this video to support the channel and help others discover tools like Acorns. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable content your way.